Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today, and I'm also happy to share with you another package that I have received, and that one is different. That is these sprouted projects that I got from the To Your Health Sprouted Flour Company. Well, it's not only flour in here, and just a few words about this company. On the market, I find them one of the best ones, and their prices are affordable. But to be honest, I never order from them frequently. That's actually the reason why you see so many things in here, because it saves a lot of money to wait until the promotion. Let's say this was board on the promotion, get 15 pounds of things, and you would get $1 shipping, because usually the shipping is like expensive. So ordering this is really enough for me for a lot of time. And the first item here would be the gluten-free sprouted green pea flour. To be honest, I don't really, eat baked stuff, but my family and my baby, he loves the pancakes, waffles, and all kind of things. I bake bread sometimes, and I try to make it as nutritious as I can. So adding green pea flour is a great option, in my opinion. So I got a lot, and it lasted me really a long time. So that's that. Now, as a small items here, I also got the gluten-free sprouted amaranth flour, and I'm not a huge fan of amaranth itself, but I love using the flour because it is very, very nutritious, and all the things, what's good about them, they are like easier to digest, right? The next thing I have is gluten-free sprouted amaranth, so I'm going to add it to my baby's menu as well. And by the way, sometimes if I know that he doesn't eat it straight, I could mix different things. Like, let's say he loves oatmeal, so I could add a tablespoon of amaranth in there, and he will never notice, right? So, and then you still add some nutrients into it. The next bag here is another pack of amaranth flour. By the way, everything they have is organic, so it's also great. Now, the next thing, I have something huge and heavy. That's the brown rice. That's gluten-free sprouted brown rice. Well, normally everybody in my family loves the white rice, and it's great because it has less arsenic, especially if you cook it right. But I love rice only if it's brown, and I believe when it's sprouted, gluten-free option from this company, it's safe for me to eat it. Absolutely safe, and that's a lot, and it will last me a very long time. The next thing is the gluten-free sprouted rolled oats. I used to be a huge fan of oats, but I actually stopped eating oats on a daily basis, and I only have them, here and there. Not upset about that, because I find that my body feels better even if it's sprouted and gluten-free. Sometimes some type of food is not really made out there to be specifically for you, because I know people are so crazy on the oats, and unfortunately we do not eat the oats sprouted all the time. People don't soak their oats all the time, so they are very hard for digestion, and we don't feel good, and that's the oats. And I also have here the sprouted rye flour. I wanted to try it in the baked muffins, or maybe I will bake my bread one day, right? And the last thing here is the gluten-free sprouted millet. So if you've never tried it, you definitely should. I love to cook it with the butternut squash. It tastes amazingly. You can add carrots to it to make it sweet, or sometimes I just love it salty with the butter. And so this is like a versatile food, and the baby loves it, which makes me very, very happy, because it is it's good, it's very healthy. So this is all I have here. And the purpose of this video is to mention, well, this company, this is not a sponsored video. This is just I'm sharing what I'm getting for myself and my baby. And also, if you do not want to buy sprouted produce, you always need to remember that you do need to make sure that you cook it the right way. You need to soak the nuts, you need to soak your grains, and maybe you need to try to eliminate the grains for a certain period of time. As you can see here, everything is gluten-free, and I don't have celiac disease, but I believe it's better for my baby's digestion and for myself included. There are not only white and whole wheat flour out there. Garbanzo flour is also my other favorite, but I still have a huge pack from my previous order. So thank you guys so much for your attention. I appreciate your support. I really thank you very much for everything you're saying to me. It means a lot. I wish you to stay very happy and healthy, and I will see you in my next video.